नमस्ते। आज की ऑनलाइन क्लास में मैं आपको खो खो गेम्स के बारे में बताऊंगा और ये बताऊंगा कि खो खो गेम्स में जो स्किल होती है वो किस प्रकार सीखी जाती है और स्किल कैसी होती है। तो मैंने तो लास्ट वीडियो में आपको बताया था, क्या बताया था कि खो खो ग्राउंड कैसा होता है। खो खो ग्राउंड का मेजरमेंट के बारे में मैंने आपको समझाया था और मेरे उस वीडियो को आपने अच्छे से देखा होगा और फॉलो किया होगा और आपको खो खो ग्राउंड के बारे में अच्छी सी नॉलेज हो गई होगी। तो अगर आपको खो खो ग्राउंड के बारे में अगर अच्छी नॉलेज हो गई है तो अब हम आगे के स्केल पे चलते हैं। आगे के स्केल में ये है कि खो खो गेम्स खेलने के लिए हम लोगों को स्किल आनी चाहिए। तो हर गेम्स में अलग अलग स्किल होती है, तो खो खो गेम्स की भी अलग अलग स्किल होती है। तो मैं आपको उसके बारे में पूरी जानकारी दूंगा और अगर उसकी स्किल को आप समझते हो और अच्छे से फॉलो करते हो तो देखिए कि आपकी गेम्स में आपकी कितनी चुस्ती फुर्ती और आपकी कितनी पकड़ होती है और आप एक अच्छे खिलाड़ी बनते हो। तो हम इस वीडियो में आज गेम्स की स्किल के बारे में ही जानकारी लेंगे और मैं आपको इसके बारे में ही नॉलेज दूंगा। और स्किल सीखने से पहले हमें कुछ पहले से वार्म अप करना पड़ता है जो गेम्स से पहले किया जाता है। तो अगर गेम्स से पहले अगर अपने आप बॉडी को अपने वार्म अप करते हो और बॉडी को स्किल के लिए आप वार्म अप करके अपनी बॉडी को स्किल के लिए तैयार करते हो तो आपके लिए बहुत ही फायदा रहेगा और आपको किसी प्रकार की बॉडी में कोई डैमेज नहीं होगा। और अगर आप इस वीडियो के द्वारा स्किल को आप फॉलो करते हो मेरी, तो आप खो खो गेम्स के बारे में एक अच्छी जानकारी प्लस और एक अच्छे खिलाड़ी बन जाओगे। आज मेरी यही आपसे आशा रखता हूँ और आप मेरे इस वीडियो को पूरा देखिए और देखिए कि आपको इस गेम्स के बारे में कितनी जानकारी होती है। तो मैं आपको आज दिखाता हूँ खो खो गेम्स की स्किल के बारे में। तो आइए, लेट्स गो।
Hello friends, today our topic is fundamental skills of Kho. Fundamental means basic or forming a necessary base of central importance is called fundamental. Skills, ability to do something well is called skills. Of relationship between a pot and a whole is called off. Kho. Kho is an Indian game of tag played with two teams of 12 players is called Kho. Fundamental skills of Kho are divided into two parts, one part of chaser skills and other part of runner's skills. Fundamental means a basic or forming a necessary base of central importance is called fundamental. Skills, ability to do something well is called skills. Of relationship between a pot and a whole is called off. Kho. Kho is an Indian game of tag played with two teams of 12 players. Or divided means split into a pots or separated into two pots. Two pots, one pot of chaser skills, one pot means in exact measurements. Or chaser skills. Chaser skills means giving them more power that is granted to help wipe out wipe out enemies. Other pot means one that remains. Of runner's skills. Runner skills means ability to remain calm and professional in a fast-paced work environment is called runner skills. Chaser skills. Chaser skills giving them more power that is granted to help wipe out the enemies is called chaser skills. Few chasing skills of Kho are as listed below. Few means a small number. Chasing skills. The running or chasing side is decided by the toss. Or skills means ability to do something well. of a relationship between a pot and a hole is called off. Kho is an Indian game of tag played with two teams of 12 players, or as listed below, means or as marked under. Giving kho. Giving kho means a chaser must say the word kho when is touching the sitting chaser. It is a foul if he does not say this word. A chaser must say the word kho when he is touching the sitting chaser. A chaser must say means chaser, a person or thing that chases, must say, have to say. Word ko means term, expression, call, name. When he is touching the sitting chasers, it is foul if he does not say this word. Means it is foul if he does not say this word. This is considered as unfair against an opponent player if he does not utter the word kho. Taking directions means guidance or supervision of action or conduct is called taking directions. After receiving the kho, a chaser should take his first step out of the cross lane with care, because that step will decide the directions of move. Means immediately after receiving the kho, the chaser become active. Chaser is a player who pursues the player of the opposite side with a view to tag and touch them and careful about the cross lane, because that will decide the direction of move. Means for the reason that the active chaser clear his mind in which direction to take his steps. Fake kho. Fake kho means in such kho the chaser pretends to give kho out. Actually he follows the runners, means the active chaser or attackers, to behave so as to make it appears that he is rarely moved towards a person or players that runs especially in a specified way is called fake kho. Tapping. Tapping means the action of striking against something with a quick, light blow is called tapping. Tapping is a touching an active runner by extending an arm. Means when an active chaser tries to touching an active runner by straighten his arms in front of active runners. Tapping should be done when runner is on post. While tapping, the body should lean forward and arm should be extended completely. Means tapping should be done completely. The active chasers perform the tapping when the active runner is near the kho pole by bending his physical structure in front of his body and straighten his arms in completely. Trapping. Trapping means trick or deceive into doing something contrary to their interest or intentions is called trapping. For trapping, the active chaser should try to bring 2 or 3 runners to one side towards the post. Means the active chaser or attackers use his trick or deceive the active runners, bring them 2 or 3 runners near the Kho pole. This situation is called trapping, means using trick or deceive in certain circumstances is known as trapping. Diving. A dive is an action of throwing your body in air and leaping forward. It is similar to diving into a swimming pool from the edge of the pool in Kho, that is called diving. In this technique, a chaser pounces on an active runner to touch him spontaneously, means in diving skill a chaser swoop suddenly so as to catch the runner without apparent external cause. It requires a lot of courage and practice for being an expert diver, means to become an specialist diver a great bravery and procedures are needed. Chaser. The players sitting in the squares are known as chasers. These are those players sitting in the squares are called chasers, means the chasing team sitting in the knee position in 8 squares are known as chasers. Active chasers, means the other name of active chaser is an attacker who pursues the player of the opposite side with a view to tag and touch them. Active chaser is that player who pursues the runner to put them out, means active runner is a main player who do something through reasoning and put the opponent runner out of the playing field.